Good morning. I am Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Course Basic Culinary Arts. Topic Organization Structure of Kitchen. Chef the Cuisine, Sous Chef, Chef the Party, Chef Torrent, Chef Saucier, Chef Guard Manager, Chef Rotisserie, Chef Anthermiter, Pastry Chef, Chef Osana, Chef Butcher, Grill Cook, Chef Potacher, Pastry Cook, Kami 1, Kami 2, Kami 3. Next one thing, we see the duties and responsibility of chef. First one, we saw the executive chef. Another name of French term is chef de cuisine. Chef carry the full responsibility for the kitchen. He must be both cook and administrator. The responsible for staffing, selection and dismissal in consultation with the personnel department. A responsible for the duty roster. Chef concern himself with the quality of food and the presentation. His principal function is to forecast, plan, organize and supervise the work of kitchen. He has to purchase, cost control, train and direct staff. Sous chef and assistant head chef, the mainly responsible for the efficient day-to-day function of kitchen. Supervise the practical kitchen activities, can make the staff changing during the workday to relieve the pressure. In the case of chef the cuisine, put the leave or take the off, he will acting as the chef and in charge of the kitchen. Chef the party, English term is station chef. A chef in charge of particular area. Each chef the party might have the several cook or assistant. His job is support the head and chef in a busy kitchen. Responsible for to deliver good quality of food, handling purchase and keeping up to date with the newest product. Chef Torrent, relief cook. He is relief the chef the party. When its chef goes the leave or has an off day. Knowledge of various section. Next, chef saucier, sauce cook. He is usually the star party because his job is most complex. Prepare all the sauces, meat, poultry, enter are prepared together with the necessary garnish. Chef guard manager, ladder cook. Prepared food for processing. He has to keep the cold buffet supplies. It is the cold section and is the storehouse of the kitchen. As the ladder has various subsections such as hors d'oeuvre, a salad section. Next one thing, chef rotisserie, roast cook. Responsible for the production of all roast and grill of meat, poultry and game, grilled and deep fried fish. Prepare sauces, accompaniments and garnish for roast and grills. Also supervise the roast cook. Chef Anthermiter, vegetable cook. Responsible for the production of vegetables. Chef Patisser, pastry cook. Prepare hot and cold pudding, cakes, pastry, bread etc. Responsible for special dishes, work and the supply the main kitchen of item of pastry. Chef Poisoner, fish cook, prepare all the fish enter and the roast cook deal with all roast and the deep fried foods. Chef does the cooking, garnishing, saucing and the dishes of fish. Chef Potager, soup cook, prepare all types of soup and is responsible for the garnish accompanying the soup. Chef Commoner, staff cooking. Staff food is prepared by the different chef the party. Wholesome food and inexpensive meals are prepared. Commis, cook, assisting the food preparing processes, cooking and preparing the elements of high quality dishes, assisting other chef, helping with deliveries and restocking, assisting with stock rotation, cleaning station. Thank you.